You make me sing, I know. Girl, you got the ting, I know. You got the body, I know.
You know that hoe. Don't be in the places I've been. Who can spend the grams I spent? About 5 or 6 best friends. You know that hoe.
I know y'all clicked on this video like, Kim, why are you going to a pool party during quarantine? Y'all, I'm not going to a pool party during quarantine. This is actually just a get ready with me pool party edition. What's up, y'all? It's your girl Kim. You know the name. So, if you're new to my channel, my name is Kim Suave, and I'm your favorite girl from Miami. And that's on what? Period. But y'all, this is a little quick get ready with me pool edition, summertime fun edition. What a edition. Everybody inside edition. We want to go back outside edition. We want to go outside when Corona is completely over. Not just because y'all want to start the economy back up because y'all so money hungry ass government edition. Okay. The word around town is that they opening Miami back up at the end of May. They already opened Jacksonville Beach back up, but they said they opened Miami Beach up. Hopefully, if things keep decreasing, they'll open the city back up by the end of May. But even then, I'm still not going outside. It's not safe to go outside still. So I'm just staying inside probably till June, July-ish, you know. I'm gonna see what things go from there, but I'm not gonna be nobody's test dummy going outside first just because the white man wants some coin, okay? And I think y'all should do the same. Anyways, y'all, so this is a really cute look, real subtle on the lid. Y'all already know I got my gold butterfly earrings in, I got my chains in, and I got the shades on, okay? But yeah, y'all, so I love this look. Everything is brown, and that's why I got brown bathing suit, turtle shell sunglasses, brown scrunchie, and then I got on these pants. I did a high ponytail. I did not know that all this hair was gonna fit in this tight old scrunchie, and it's not even tight on my head either, so that's good. But right now, since I'm done recording this video, I'm gonna go take some pictures for Instagram, so stay tuned for those, and I hope y'all enjoy this video. But let's get into it, sweetie. Okay, look, so I'm bored in the house and I'm in the house bored, bored in the house and I'm in the house bored, bored in the house, bored in the house, bored, bored in the house, bored in the house, bored. Y'all, I am so freaking bored. That's why I'm doing this get ready with me. Bitch, not even going to a pool party for real. Like, what are you doing? But I already did my eyebrows off camera. I always tell y'all, don't nobody care about the eyebrows part. I'll be click, 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 fast forward. I don't care how you do your eyebrows. Get to the makeup. But that's just me. But if you want an eyebrow routine, let me know and I'll drop that. But as y'all can see, I don't know if y'all can see because I don't have my glasses on and I can't see. So let me look in here because the girls complain that I be looking at myself, but I need to see myself. Like, need to see if I'm looking ugly. So I'm breaking out right here. I got 2 pimples right here. They're small, those. I don't know if y'all can see those. And then I also have one big one right here and another small one right here. But the small one right here is not too bad, so I don't really count that. So technically, I have 3. So yeah, there's one big one here, and then these 2 right here. And it's also skin just a whole lot right now. Because I'm breaking out because my menstrual cycle is coming on. And it's just taking 50 years to come on. Like, come on so these pimples will go away and I can get back to business. So today we're gonna be doing a pool party look. It's not gonna be too much. I'm trying to see if the pool party is at nighttime or is the pool party during the daytime. Because y'all know them nighttime pool parties be alright, but the daytime pool parties be litter. But yeah, let's go with daytime pool party. Already got primer on and all that good stuff. When I go to a pool party, I try to put as little makeup as possible. And I hear when the girls be like, why do y'all be wearing makeup to the pool parties and the beach? Sis, just because you don't know how to do makeup, like, you're upset because the girls want to wear makeup to the outings. Because you don't know how to do makeup. That's why you're mad. That's the real tea. Like, I don't wear makeup to the beach or pool parties because I'm insecure, because when I go to school I don't wear makeup. When I go out I actually rarely wear makeup. Like, I wear makeup when I'm going out, like a party, an outing, a date. I wear makeup, but like a regular day I'm chilling. But if I'm gonna go to the beach or a pool, I'm wearing makeup, period. Don't care. And who gonna check me about that? I don't put on a lot of makeup in general because my skin is pretty much clear most of the time. So I could get away with putting like a little bit of foundation and stuff like that and just spreading it. So thank God for that. And y'all, the semester just finished. Well, it's not even finished yet because I have a final next week. But after that, it's over. Like for my other 3 classes, I already did all my work, turned in all my work and stuff. But I still have this project that I was supposed to redo from the beginning of the semester. But I'm not sure if I'm gonna redo it yet because I'll have a B in the class if I don't redo it. But if I do redo it, I'll have an A. But I don't mind having a B. But of course, if I can get an A, I want the A. But then again, I don't understand how to do the damn project. Like, I need to be in school. I need her to explain to me how to do the project because I did it terribly wrong the first time according to her. So, and I still don't understand now. So, like, I literally have an 89.70 something in the class. And in my humble opinion, I think she should just give me the damn A. It was literally just a couple points off. Just give me the A, period. Also, when I go to a pool party, I put little to no foundation on my forehead because it be hot. Well, I don't be sweating, but it definitely be hot.
Getting money, yeah, this my quarter. You know the who's getting older. Young nigga, not for your daughter.
I got the baddest bitch out of the city. She got my name on top of her titty.
I decided I am gonna do eyeshadow, but I'm just not gonna do too much. I'm gonna try not to do too much. Don't quote me on that, okay? Because I need to take Instagram pictures because the TL has been dry. I do need to redo these edges because this 4C, that gel ain't holding down this 4C. It's just not working. I get a good 5 minutes max, if that, and then flat. I'm probably gonna go with Jackie on the palette, of course, but I'm gonna go with Ginger, Credit, and probably Lituation. Yeah, I don't even know what to talk about because I've been in the house and ain't nothing been really going on, like I said in the last video. So it's like I really just be talking about nothing, going with the flow. But I still haven't found a job yet. I don't know if I told you I was looking for a job. Oh, I said that on live. If you weren't on the live, sweetie, you don't know. You need to make sure that your post notifications are on so you can know when your girl is on live. Because we had a ball. It was like a you had to be there type thing. But yes, I was on live telling the girls that I was looking for a job, but that seems to be dead flies right now. So I'm gonna just chill. I'm still gonna be looking for one, of course, but I'm like, if I don't get one, I'm not gonna let it stress me out. Like, it's gonna be like, awesome, it is what it is type time. All honesty, I'm ready for fall semester to start. Like, I'm ready to be back in school because it's not like anything is going on anyway. So why not go back to school so I can hurry up and graduate? Because students fall semester start. Graduate in spring, fingers crossed. So spring 21. So 1 more year and then I'm out this piece. I'm putting Credit from Jackie Ina's palette right here above my crease area. Really y'all living lavish. What pot? If I want it, I'ma have it. Let's go with ginger. I thought I was gonna do edges, but edges too orange. And ginger is more like a brown. So let's go with ginger and smooth out credit on top on the edges. I really could have been in Tally right now. I would have found me another job because I know I quit my job that I was working at. And if you didn't know, that means you're not keeping up with the videos. Yes, I quit my job that I was working at because it's really just not for me. I was working at a call center and sitting down on my ass, talking to rude people, getting mad at me because I don't have answers to their questions because I'm just a message center. I don't actually work for the business, so I don't know the ins and out. Excuse me if I don't know how much your house will be sold for, Sarah. Dad used to be calling, cussing me out because I couldn't give them a price on their home. I am not a real estate investor. Sorry, but not that sorry. And you're getting on my nerves. I don't know how many times I had to say, I'm not sure, but I can take a message for you. Like, how many times you want me to say that? I'm not sure, but I can take a message for you. I'm not sure, but I can take a message for you. I'm not sure, but I can take a message for you. This is like, hello. It's just, that job was so aggravating. It was so aggravating. I put beautiful bronze on my lids, and I could dead leave it like this, but I'm not. So I think I'm gonna go, does this have block on it? Because I didn't clean my brushes, y'all. Sorry, but not that sorry. So yeah, I think I'm still going with the liduation that I said I was gonna do. I'll probably put Zam on top because I don't want it, liduation is pretty dark and I don't want it to be like super dark. Cause then it it blends in with credit that I put there as well, so. Let me put on my lashes and do my moles, and then we're gonna get dressed. The outfit is in motion, sweetie. We gotta put some lip gloss or something on, of course. You know the vibes. I already did my edges, or redid my edges, cause they was looking atrocious. But y'all know I always do the same lip. I use the Maybelline Matte Super Stay Lip Ink, whatever, in the shade Protector. First for lining. My phone ring. I bet, oops, somebody texted me. Whole time it's just an Instagram notification. Then I get NYX Butter Gloss in the shade Praline. Then I get LA Colors in the shade Dollface. Then I'm going with a clear gloss. I'm still waiting for this to be finished. It's not done yet. As I say in every video, when it's done, I'm gonna stop using it. Y'all be asking me, oh, what clear gloss to use? Girl, I use any clear gloss. I'm not like, oh my gosh, picky on clear gloss. Clear gloss is clear gloss. Just any. Any one you like, just use it. It's gonna work the same. It won't work the same, but you know, your favorite one, use that. It doesn't really matter. I don't even know what this is to even tell y'all what clear gloss is. Cause the damn label got scratched off. I hope y'all enjoyed this video. I enjoyed filming it. This was a little pool party look, get ready with me or whatever. Life has just been going. I've stopped keeping up with what day it is. I don't even know what day it is today. What's today? Today is, oh, April 25th, Saturday. It doesn't really feel like a Saturday. It feels more like a Thursday. But That's just how I feel. I also wanted to let y'all know that I did change all of my social media names to @KimSuave. So on Instagram, you can find me @KimSuave, Twitter @KimSuave, YouTube KimSuave, everywhere @KimSuave. And I did that because I thought it was just more so a good business move, because I'm growing steadily. So when I get bigger, I just want everywhere @KimSuave. Like, you know the name, you know the frame, you know how to find me, KimSuave. Okay. And my fashion Instagram is still @SuaveLabel. That's not changing, but everything else has been changed. So don't forget to hit that follow button. So I hope y'all enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And bye, y'all. Love y'all. Stay safe during this quarantine. No, you can lie. I forgot to put on my shades. But y'all see the shades. Shades on Turtle Shore shades. I don't know how to say that word, but I like to say that word. I got these from Pretty Little Thing, but yeah. And they look expensive. I can't wear shades though because my lashes be getting stuck to it. So we just gonna put them at the top. At the top. Like that. Ooh. But oh boy, you're looking like you like what you see. Won't you come over and check up on it? I'ma let you work up on it, ladies. Come and check on if you got it, on it. Only watching you see. Y'all, I have a serious problem because I can stare at myself all day. Like, I have no problem sitting in the mirror and looking at myself. Like, I'm in love with myself. Is that bad? Or is that what the girls call confidence? You did your dollar, God and mama and daddy. Thank you.